Morning students, class 10th. Welcome back. The new chapter that is shares and dividend. What do you mean by this word share and dividend? First of all, we should know this. See, share you might have known if the sweets are distributed, two sweets each, that is my share. Here dividend means the income, the profit. From where? See, after getting educated, if you have done the PG degree from an institute, you will get number of offers from the company to come join us, you will get a job. 80 to 90% of the students used to join, but 10% brain thinks, "Ki, why should I join? Why I can give job to others? Because they feel themselves that they are having some extra. 2, 3, 4, they join together, they plan themselves that we'll make one factory in this will be manufactured and this will be exported at this rate. Number of employees will be there and how much is earning we get. But for all, they require money for the infrastructure, for the machines, and for different purposes. One or two or three cannot have this much a large amount of the money. So first of all, they frame their structure in the papers and they give this much money for the infrastructure, this much we'll invest in the goods and this much will, after producing it, this will be the cost and an export, this much you will get, so profit is this. This profit will be distributed among the shareholders. They used to give a big article in the newspapers and different, and at the last they used to write very small letters. If the company fails, we all have to be Chetavani. But after reading this, people think that they are the IITians, they have done MBAs, they are saying correct if they will frame themselves. So they used to make a company and shares are invited from the public. Now the word comes share. 50% of the share remains on their own and 50% is in the market. Value of one share. Value of one share, if it is rupees 100, this is nominal value. This is nominal value. If I am getting this share at rupees 100 from the company, it will be at par. At par. It will be at par. So, if directly I am getting the share from the company, it will be at par, at nominal value, or it is said to be at face value. Face value. Directly I have been allotted shares from the company. I have invested 1000 rupees. Number of shares 1000 over nominal value, I will get 10 shares. So 10 shares has been allotted from the company, and the rate of dividend. What is dividend? Dividend is the profit which is earned by the company in 1 year. Dividend is the profit earned by the company in 1 year. It is at risk. If you keep your money in bank at the saving bank account, you will get 4.5%. SB account in a bank will give 4.5% in year. Here this share can give 10%, 15% or more, or it can be zero. Depends upon the market of company. How much it is sold, how much the company is getting profit. Can you believe that the Colgate Palmolive share, initial value of the share, nominal value of the share is rupees 10, and if you go to buy market, you have to pay 750 per share. Good reputations. So it depends. We have discussed face value, the money invested in the company, and from the company we are getting the dividend. At par, same value in the market, same value in the company. Below par, when the share has gone on less discount, means from the company the share has been allotted on rupees 100 for me, and if I am going in market to sell, people are giving me 80 rupees per share. Below par or the share at discount. In that case, company is not getting any profit, so will not get any dividend after 1 year. Dividend is given by the company on the nominal value after 1 year. So simple percentage questions are there. What is the rate of return? Simple rate of return. How much profit you have gained? How much loss you will have? Number of shares. So these are few formulas. Note down. Number 1. Sum invested is equal to number of shares into market value of 1 share. If these shares are available at par, means at nominal value, market value of each share is equal to nominal value of it. Number 1 formula. Second formula is number of shares bought. How much sum is invested? Market value of 1 share. Second, number of shares bought. Total dividend from the shares upon dividend on 1 share. Dividend is the profit after 1 year what the company used to give. Third formula for this same is number of shares bought, total income upon income from 1 share. 2 formula. Number third is total dividend earned. Number of shares, rate of dividend into nominal value of 1 share. These formulas you note down. This we have to learn. Fourth one, rate of return, or it can be said income profit, or income upon investment into 100 to calculate the profit percent from these shares. Fifth one is for a shareholder, income is equal to return is equal to profit or dividend paid by the company is the same thing. So before going through the exercise, student, I would like to request you, please read the questions twice. Please read the questions twice. Then you start. Questions are very easy, language may be little bit difficult. So come to exercise 3A. Open all of you, please open a box. Exercise 3A, page number 29 in my book. 29 3a. All have written these formulas. Note down and then come to exercise 3a. Question number 1. How much money will be required to buy 400? What does it mean? Number of shares is 400. Rupees 12 rupees 50 paisa. Share at a premium of rupees 1. Premium means 1 rupee black. In the company, the value of one share is 12 rupees 50 paisa, and in market they are asking 1 more rupee. Yeah. So, question number 1. Sum invested. Question of exercise 3a. Question number 1. Sum required is equal to number of shares into market value of one share. Here number of shares are 400 into 12 rupees 50 paisa plus 1 rupee. 400 into 13 rupees 50 paisa. It will give you, multiply this, One 350 into 4. 4 0 4 5 20, carry over 2, 4 3 12, 14, 4 4 5, 5400 rupees. Please check answer. Sum required. Answer. Now, question number 3rd. Person buys 120 shares at nominal value, means from the company, of 40 each. If he sells at 42 rupees 50 paisa each, find his profit percent, profit and profit percent. Simple it is. Sum invested, number of shares into nominal value of one share. Number of shares 120 shares. Nominal value of one share 40 rupees. 12 4 is 48, 4800. This much amount invested. After selling, number of shares into market value of one share. Number of shares are 120 and sold at rupees of 42 rupees 50 paisa. Yes. 42 rupees 50 paisa. So we can write 0, multiply this, it will come, multiply and check. 5100 rupees. Profit is equals to 5100 minus 4800 is equal to 300 rupees. Profit. Check first answer. Profit percent. Profit upon investment. Profit upon investment into 100. Profit 300. Investment 4800 into 100. Three to 100 time. 3 1 ja 3 6 16. 100 upon 16. 50 by 8. 50 divided by 8. 8 6 are 48. 2 8 2 are 16. 4 5 are 40. Will become 6.25%. Please check profit percent. Two values you have asked, profit and profit percent. Now, question number 5. Man invests rupees 800 buying 5 shares, rupees 5 shares nominally. Investment rupees 800, and where they are selling at a premium of this market value 6 rupees 15 paisa. Find the profit formula. Third and the fifth question is same. Clear? Question number third and fifth is same. So fifth you have to try yourself. Come to question number 7. Come to question number 7. Read question number 7 carefully. Note down the given values. Question number 7. A man invests rupees 3072 in a company. This is the total investment. Paying 5% per annum, dividend हो गया. When 10 rupees share is bought for rupees 16 each. See, this person has invested the money in market, not direct in the company. He has bought these shares from the market. Find his annual income. Question number 7. Annual income. Annual income is equal to number of shares into rate of dividend percent, rate of return into nominal value of one share. First of all, we should calculate the number of shares. Number of shares investment upon market value of one share is equal to investment is 3072 over 16 rupees. 3072 upon 16. Please check this investment I have written correct and the market value is he has bought from the market. Is correct or not? He will get 192 shares. Now, number of shares 192. Rate of return by company 5%, 5 upon 100. Nominal value of one share rupees 10. So 0 0 cancel 2, 5 2s are 2 9 18, 2 6 is equals to 96 rupees. Annual income. Please check this answer. Annual income rupees 96. This is the first answer. Please check annual income. Now second part, his percentage income on his investment. Second part, profit percent. Profit upon investment in 200. Profit how much? 96. Investment, how much money is invested? 30 in 200. Check multiplication, calculation, substitution. Profit 96, investment 3072 in 200. You will get 3072 divided by 96. Or cancellation can be done. 2 4 the 8, 2 8 the 16, 2 1 time, 5 time, 2 3 or 6, 2 6 or 5. Now 24, 2 7 are 14, 2 6 are 12, 2 8 are 16. Can be written as 2400 over 768. Further cancellation, 1200 over 2 3 are 6, 2 8 are 16, 2 4 are 8. 1200 divided by 384. 3 4s are 12, carry over 1. 3 are 24 over 25, carry over 2. 3 3 are 9 or 2 11. 10 minus 2, 8. 9 minus 5, 4. 48. Point. 1 time. 384. 10 minus 4, 6. And here 7. 96. So after 3.1, solving at 3.1, maybe 2 times, 2%. Profit percent 3.12%. Please check second part. Now, please check second part. See, the calculation should be clear, cancellation should be clear, and the formula is must to write. Formula is must to write. Question number 9. A man buys 50 shares of a company. Man buys 50 shares of a company paying 12% dividend at a premium of ₹10. Find market value 320 shares. Same question. Look here. Look here. Man buys 50 shares of a company paying 12% dividend. Premium of ₹10. Rupees 50 shares at company paying 12% dividend, premium of ₹10. So, question number 1. Nominal value of a share is ₹50. Market value is ₹60. Premium of ₹10. Dividend 12%. Question mark. Market value of 320 shares. Number of shares into market value of 1 share. Number of shares 320. Market value 60. 0, 0. 6 to the 12. Can you 160, 18 or 190? 19200. First part you check. Market value of 320 shares. Second part is annual income. Annual income means annual income is equal to number of shares into dividend percent into nominal value of 1 share. Number of shares 320. Dividend 12%. 12 upon 100. Nominal value of 1 share 50 rupees. Cancellation 0, 0, 0, 0. 32 into 12 5 is 60. 0. 6 to the 12. Can you 160, 80 or 190? 1920. Second answer you check. Class check second answer. Annual income. Third part. Profit percent. Profit percent. Profit over investment into 100. Profit how much? 1920. Or investment 19200 into 100. 00 cancel. 192 10 times. 10%. So profit percentage. Third party check 10%. From these problems, students, we have seen that they are only the profit loss simple questions. Only the language is different. So to overcome this, you just read the questions 2 times, then you start doing it. And check your calculation. They are very easy questions. In the board, 3 to 4 marks question is comes in compulsory. So it's very beneficial for us. Thank you for watching.